Hi everyone, this is a continuation of the previous video under the chapter rational numbers. So in the previous video we learned a rational number which can be written in a p by q form where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are co-prime number. Now we are going to recall all the numbers and then we are going to correlate with the rational number. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers can be called as counting numbers. We are starting with a 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going on. The next one is the whole numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers? Yes, you are right. Whole numbers including 0 with the natural number, we are calling them as a whole number. So, along with the natural numbers, we are just joining one more family member, that is a 0. Then we can call them as a whole numbers. Ma'am, what is the relation between the natural number and the whole number in rational number chapters? So you may ask this question, true? So to clarify doubt, let me explain here. Natural numbers, I have written only 1, 2, 3, 4. But according to the rational number concept, it should be written in a form p by q. There should be a numerator and also there should be a denominator, and q is not equal to 0. P and q are co-prime. All these conditions it has to satisfy. Let's check the first number. The first number is a 1. So without changing the value, how can you write 1 as a fractional number? The fractional number or rational number both are same, but fractional number means it will be a positive. Rational number, it may be either positive or negative. So here I have taken a 1 without changing the value. What is the answer for the 1 by 1? Yes, it is correct, 1. Again 2 by 1, yes, without changing the value. When you observe after the division also you are getting the same answer. So from this you understood that all the natural numbers are rational number because I can express in a form p by q. That's why we have written 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1. You may have a doubt. Why, ma'am? Why don't you write 1 by 2 or 1 by 3 or 1 by 4? Yes, we can write, but the value is changing. 1 by 2 and the 1 are not same. 1 by 3 and 1 are not same. That's why without changing the value, we are sharing the numerator 1. So from this, what do you understand? All the natural numbers are rational number. Same concept can be applied for whole numbers also. So same whole number, I am giving the denominator 1. So denominator 1, 0 by 1. You may ask, ma'am, you said many times the 0 should not be there in a denominator. So when you observe here, the 0, it's not in a denominator, it's in a numerator. So in p by q, p can be a 0, but q should not be a 0. So according to that, we have written a whole numbers. All the whole numbers also can be written in a form 0 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, like that. The next one, fractions. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 4, etc. We can write lot of fractional numbers. Now observe whether 1 by 2, is it in a p by q form? Yes. There is a numerator and there is a denominator, and the denominator is not equal to 0, and also it is in a lowest term. So All the fractions are also a rational number. Same thing. Suppose I have written 0.2. So how can we write 0.2? 2 by 10. And according to the rational number condition, it should be in the lowest term. So 1 by 5. So the decimal also can be expressed as a rational number, that is a 1 by 5. The next one, integers. Integers is a combination of a positive number and also a negative number along with the 0. So for example, I am writing minus 3 by, okay, minus 3 alone, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and it is going on. Now, without changing the value, I have to write minus 3 in the P by Q form. So how can we change? Yes, you are right. Minus 3 by 1, minus 2 by 1, minus 1 by 1, 0 by 1, and then 1 by 1. So from this concept, we understood all the natural numbers are whole numbers. All the natural numbers are rational numbers. All the whole numbers are rational numbers. All the fractions numbers also rational number, and all the decimals also rational number. So in next class, let's check whether all the rational numbers are natural numbers, are whole numbers, are fractions, are decimals. Let's meet in the next class.